So, Kali, yes, what are the troubles that you're facing when it comes to talking in English?
Mm, I used to I get little bit nervous while speaking.
Okay.
And I think my English is little bit good, but it needs improvement.
Okay.
Somewhere I think little bit mistakes in grammar maybe.
Okay. So, Kali, what are the things that you're doing to improve your English? What all are you
I
doing to
just
improve?
watch some shows or motivational speakers
Okay.
like that.
Okay. Right. So, did you check the document out for the day? Material, session material, did you check?
Yeah, I went through it.
All right. And the topic for the day is food and restaurants.
Yeah,
Okay. Shall we talk about it?
yeah, definitely.
All right. So, are you a foodie, Kali?
Yeah, I am foodie.
I am a foodie. Yeah. Why? Why
I
do you
am a
consider
foodie
Why do you consider yourself as a foodie?
because I like to taste different types of foods, and I can eat a variety of foods, especially veg. I'm vegetarian.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, what is the food that you like the most, Kali?
I like dosa.
Dosa. Okay. Dosa and what? Sambar? Chutney?
Yeah, dosa, sambar, chutney.
Oh, lovely. You like South Indian food?
Yeah.
I'm from
Not
South
most,
India.
only a few of them I know. I'm aware, so I like them only idli as well as dosa,
Italy.
sambar, chutney.
Yeah. I'm from Kerala. Have you been to Kerala?
No, never. But I will
Yeah.
definitely
Yeah.
one day in my life will be there.
It's a nice, beautiful place.
What?
It's a beautiful place.
Yeah, and, it's near the seashore.
Yeah, there's a lot of seashores there, a lot of beaches. It's nice. Right. To eat out.
Um, no, not. I used to eat at my home only
Okay.
because
Or
my sister is
you can say, I am used to eating at home. I am
used
used to eating
to
at home.
eating at home.
Yeah, I'm used to, because you always do that, right? You're used to eating at home. You don't eat out. You can say, I'm used to eating at home.
Okay.
मैं सिर्फ घर का खाना चाहती हूँ खाने के लिए something like that. My Hindi is
Uh,
very bad. Okay. Right.
but I can
So,
I can
so
understand.
okay. Right. Thanks. So, have you ever had a bad experience eating out? If at all you've eaten out, have you ever had a bad experience? Is that why you prefer home food?
Outside.
Yeah, eating out. Have you ever had a bad experience eating out?
No, not that much. Because
Okay.
I don't move. I don't visit any restaurant. Not many,
Okay.
but few local places and around near Kasi
Okay.
or in Kashi.
Kashi Rameshwaram.
No. It's in Varanasi.
Okay.
From yeah, it's people from south used to visit here,
Yeah.
Vishwanath temple.
Yes, I know. My grandmother, she's been there. She's been to Kashi, Varanasi. Yes. So where is Rameshwaram?
No, it's in Rameshwaram is not there. It's
Oh,
in
he's
Tamil Nadu, no?
Tamil Nadu, is it? It's like a pilgrimage place, same like Kashi.
Yeah, both are pilgrimage place.
Yes, okay. It's in Tamil Nadu. Yeah.
Rameshwaram is the birthplace of, I think, our late president APJ Abdul Kalam.
Oh, yeah, I think so as well. I'm not sure. I think so, yeah. Right. So, Kali, do you like to cook food? Do you like cooking?
I don't use. I usually not cook. I usually
I
don't
don't
cook.
cook.
Yeah, I
Good.
usually don't cook.
Mhm.
But whenever my mother is in not good state or is
She's not
health
feeling
is
well.
little bit bad, then I used to help him. I just cook, help him in making chapatis as well as parathas without
Mm-hmm.
stuffing.
Okay.
Paratha without stuffing.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. So, what do you think is a healthy diet? According to you, what is a healthy diet?
Healthy diet, I want to say there are many healthy diets which every person should follow,
Mm-hmm.
like sprouted grams,
Mm-hmm.
sprouted moong,
Mm-hmm.
we should take, as well as we should take not much oily foods.
Mm-hmm.
We should take them, but in less quantity, less amount, lesser
Yes.
amount.
Mm-hmm. That's true. Do you think Indians are healthy?
No, once I have been watching video of one teacher. There I came to know that Indians food are not healthy because they
Yes.
used to eat like grill food
Mm-hmm. Actually,
as
grill
well
is
as
healthy. Grill food is healthy actually. As long as there
grill
is no
food.
oil. As long as there's no oil in it, if you grill it, light charring is healthy for you.
It's healthy,
Hmm.
but boiled
Grill,
food is the best one.
yes, boiled is the best one. And that too, boiling as well, we shouldn't boil it too much.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that's the thing. As long as you don't fry it in oil, like let's say something that you dip in oil and fry it, compared to frying it, grilling is a better way. So people who work out and who are very conscious of health, they tend to eat grilled vegetables and meat because it's healthier choice.
Oh,
Hmm.
I understand. I get it. I got it.
I got it, or I understand. Yes, I
I
understand.
understand.
Right. Okay. So, hmm, so how can you be healthy? What of other than having a good diet? Do you think anything else is important to be healthy?
Yeah, along with diet, we should have some exercise.
Yes.
If one can manage to do half an hour or 1 hour, then it's good. If someone
Yes.
don't able to manage, then it's better to
Someone
take.
is not. If someone is not.
If someone is not able to manage, so it's better to take 10
Good.
to 15 minutes. That will
Yes.
be far much better.
Yes. That's true. That's right. So, is there any food that you don't like?
Mm, I many foods are there like mm, I don't like.
What? Tell me. Tell me about it. Take your time.
I don't like vegetables like
Loki,
brinjal,
brinjal,
brinjal
yeah,
as well.
brinjal,
Yeah,
Karela,
Karela
bitter
I like
gourd.
it.
You
No
like it,
problem.
even I like it as well. Yeah.
We are same.
Yeah, most of the people they don't like Karela, and I'm like, why don't you like Karela? It's tasty. You need to know how to cook it perfectly.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. Because if we don't cook it properly, then
Yes.
maybe it will be little bitter. The taste will
Yeah,
be bitter.
too bitter it will be. If you know
Too
how to cook
bitter.
it properly, it won't be too bitter. It will be very tasty.
Okay.
Yes, that's the thing. Anything else that you don't like?
Anything? There are many things, but it doesn't come to my mind how I
Yes,
should.
you can say it's not coming into my mind. It's not coming
It's
into my mind.
it's not coming into my
My
mind.
mind. Hmm. Nice. Fine, Kali. What else about food do you want to tell me? What's famous in Kashi?
Mm, you don't understand from where I am. I'm not from Kasi.
I
I'm
don't
just
know.
I am just 14 to 15 kilometer away from it in Mughal Sarai.
Okay. Mughal Sarai.
Yeah, it's the fourth busiest station in India.
Oh, okay. So I don't know about that. My social science is very weak. Probably that's why I don't know. So tell me about what's the famous food in Mughal Sarai?
What?
What's the famous food there?
Here famous food is kachori, puri,
Kachori.
kachori sabji.
Yes. Kachori sabji. How do you make
Not
kachori
sabji,
sabji?
chana, ghugri.
Okay,
Yeah.
chana. You know the English name of chana?
Chana gram, we can say.
Yeah, you can say chickpea.
What?
Chickpea. Chickpea.
Chickpea. Oh,
Yeah. Chole. That chole chana, right? Chole chana.
no, that chana is different. Chole chana.
Okay. Okay. This chana is
There is
different. Alright.
still a small chana,
Okay.
red
Dal.
color.
Chana dal.
No, yeah, it's, chana dal is made from that chana.
Oh, okay, okay. Small chana.
Yeah.
I think still it is chickpea. Chole is not chickpea, is it? So you're not talking. You're talking about something else.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Right. So Kali, what's famous other than pakoras? What is it? Kachori sabzi.
And here lassi
Oh, what type of
is
lassi?
famous here.
Oh, what type of lassi?
Famous in my city as well as in Varanasi also it's famous.
Varanasi lassi. Okay, nice. How do you make it? How do you make the lassi? Special
Uh,
lassi.
but we what we do firstly take curd
Mm-hmm.
and we mix some water in it.
Mm-hmm. You
We
mix some
may
water. Mm-hmm.
add some water, also sugar.
Mm-hmm.
According to the taste we add,
Mm-hmm.
and then water should be cold. The
Mm-hmm.
chilled water is makes it more tastier,
Okay.
palatable,
Mm-hmm. Good.
and then we steer it.
We stir it, not steer it. We stir it.
We stir it till
Yes.
the sugar get completely mixed.
Mm-hmm.
Then after it is ready to serve.
I thought in lassi you add milk. You don't add milk, is it? You add cold
No.
water.
We don't use milk. After using curd, after formation of the lassi, we used to put we used to put rabdi.
Rabdi,
And
yes. No,
sometimes
we
some,
used
some
to. We put rabdi.
we
I'm
put rabdi.
dalti di. If you used to, I'm dalti di. Abhi हम आप डाल रहे हैं ये रबड़ी, right? So we put
Okay,
rabdi like
we
that.
put rabdi. As well as
Right.
some places they use malai, that is cream.
Oh, Malaya, no, cream.
Yeah,
That's nice. I've never had a lassi like that. I make lassi with yogurt, mango, put some little milk, sugar. That's it. Mix it in the mixie lassi. I don't think that's the original lassi. Original lassi is the lassi that you guys are drinking.
that's different.
Okay.
I also want to taste that lassi
It's very
which you
tasty.
had.
Yeah, very. In Kerala, we make it like that. So I think we only have 1 more minute. I'll give you my feedback. Kali, I think the main thing that you're lacking is confidence. Okay. You do have good English, but because of your confidence, you are struggling, you're breaking the sentences, you're doubtful and a bit hard, hesitant to form full sentences sometimes. But if you gain confidence, you'll be able to talk better. See, once you warmed up to me, you're talking a little better. Like that, I want you to gain a bit more confidence. You can, because you have the good English in you. You have a good
Okay,
hold
ma'am.
on your language. So just keep on talking in English. Talk to different people in English, and tenses as well. Sometimes you made some tense related mistakes, which you can watch out for.
Okay, I will definitely work on that.
Yes, and I want you to have the flow of sentences instead of breaking like I am going to the market. Like instead of that, I am going to the market. In one stretch, I want you to talk
In one go.
in a flow, in one go, not like too fast, but it has to have a flow. Same speed, but it has to have a flow and merge. It should be together. So
Okay,
what
ma'am.
you can do is record your video, grab your phone, record your video, talk about any random topic and practice talking. You record, you watch your video, you try to correct your mistakes, record again, watch, correct your mistakes like that. You can work on.
Okay, ma'am.
That's my feedback, Kali. Yes, it was lovely talking to you, Kali. Do you have anything to ask me?